The one thing that's really taken my gardening to the next level is just the concept of 1 hour earlier. Hey, so remember those seeds we started? Well, they're not really seeds anymore. We have 8 different varieties here. And you can definitely tell the differences. You have, these guys are the tallest. These guys have a different shaped leaf than many of the others. A lot of variety here. You're probably wondering, why are we starting so many tomatoes? Well, we're going to be doing a video on the best indoor tomato variety. So we'll be explaining this more as we go along, and we'll actually have a full video just on the subject. So what is the next step, you may ask? The red solo cup. First things first is we're going to need to make some holes in the bottom of these. Every pot needs holes in the bottom for drainage.
Light it up, pedal to the metal. We're gonna take it to a whole nother level. A whole nother level.
Now let's grab some cocoa. Putting the plants in these solo cups is only going to buy us about a week or two. They are growing fast, and this is not a big increase. Let's pull out the first one here. It's got some roots growing. It's ready to rock. One down, many to go.
J like the letter, I'm making several waves. I know the mission the same. I made a splash, now all of my passes last like running a race with Usain. I keep it coming like this is a buffet. And if I'm stumbling, I'm in the graves. Never gon' fumble it. I get the bag and I run with it, gunning it, gunning it, gunning it, gunning it.
On the bigger ones, you can go ahead and plant them down a little bit deeper. The roots will grow right out of the stem. So don't worry about that.
This is premeditated, I've been underrated, that's an understatement. I ain't coming later, the abundance came when I allow my bosom to the loving greatest. He the one who made it, so I'm in my bag. I died way before I ever raise a white flag. Shooting right back, raise the price tag. Chasing down all of these ghosts till I grab. Who could really stop me is what I ask. Homie, you can never get your time back.
As you can see, these little birdie tomatoes are living up to their name. They are the smallest at this point, but that doesn't mean we should count them out at all. They might be the best. We don't know. We have Candyland next. Looking pretty good. Next we have Little Bites. Tasmanian Chocolate next. Doing very nice. Next is a classic, the Super Bush tomato. Last one on the list is Stupus, and it is looking very healthy. Probably best one of the group. It's the one with the interesting leaves that are less tomato-like. Pretty cool. The one thing that's really taken my gardening to the next level is just the concept of simplicity. Basically, I'm using a cocoa core growing medium. There's nothing in there. Cocoa is a hydroponic medium. It just holds air, water, and nutrients. There's no fertilizer in there to start with. It's a very inert medium. Second is I don't put a lot in here. There's just water and my fertilizer of choice, which is Masterblend. Most growers have been convinced that you have to add a lot of products to have a lot of good results, but that is simply not true. You just have to have good growing practices. A good fertilizer, a good growing medium, air, light, humidity, just the basics. That's all you need to take your gardening to the next level.
During this next week, these plants will double in size, but my only job will be to keep the growing medium moist and the environment in check. And as for tonight, the only thing I have left to do before going to bed is to play a song in a major key that has a tempo of less than 100 beats per minute. This will ensure positive growth vibes.
Just kidding. Plants still have ears.